basically, these is the harness for the speaker. Yeah. So everything's wired up. Everything was wired up properly. Wired. Right here. It's power. Speakers proper wired up. Separate. See it. Finally got it in. Yeah. Everything is good. So now I'm gonna turn on the battery, hoping it's gonna work. Take out the negative. Ha! Oh! Got the keys. RSX. Okay. I mean, hazard works. Left signal, right signal works. Come on, boy. How much I got my head unit, my Double Din. So I got it for $40. Oh, focus, 40 bucks with camera and memory card, and then the whole harness you need for to connect. Both the negative. And it's in the middle, and you'll be needing this tool as well. It's a pry tool, and you just pry it on the side. There you go. Yep. So basically these are my speaker wires on the top, and the bottom is power, and there's the camera on the back, radio, and my subwoofer, my amplifier line basically. And this one I was trying to put the mirror link. That's basically trying to do it. That's how it looks like when it's out.
Hold on, now we counting bands, yeah, my niggas always done. And we don't give a fuck, cause my niggas was always drumming, I was watching. Steady plotting, pistol toting, missing beat.